In this video, we are going to discuss about HTML text formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning into it. So we are going to talk about these special formatting elements. So let's see the first one, which is B tag. Okay, so B is a bold tag. Okay, so if you want to tell something in the bold text, so you can use this. Okay, so which is a bold text. You can see that the normal text can see the difference between the normal text and the bold text. Okay, see how a normal text is looking like and a bold text is looking like. Okay, so this is to highlight, that is this is to make some words in a bolded formats. Okay, next is in few browsers, you have to use strong. Okay, instead of this bold text in few browsers you have to use strong. Okay, so both will looks like the same. Okay, but it depends on the browser which you're supporting, like which browser you're using. And the next one is I, which is italic. Okay, that is italic text. If you want to display an italic text, you can go ahead with I. Okay, so you can see the difference here. What is the difference between the bold and the italic? You can see the difference probably. Okay, likewise, like see, em is a tag where it will also look like an italic text. Likewise, as I said, so it depends on the browser. Okay, so B, that is a strong elements, defines with a strong importance, that is it is typically displayed like a bold. Okay, even I and em will be same. Okay, it will be like a italic. Okay, so this is what em. And the next one which you're going to see is a small. Okay, small is also a formatting element. Okay, you can see that how a small is looking like. Okay, so small is to make the text to look very smaller. Okay, and the next one is the mark tag. If you want to highlight something, okay, you can use a mark tag. And okay, so you can see that some background, that is you can see the background color over there. So if you want to create a highlighted color, that is if you want to mark some text, you can use a mark tag. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the delete tag. Okay, that is del. Okay, in few cases if you want to show the sales like 50%, it's not 50%, it is 75% sales. Okay, so if you want to show something like that, you have to use a del tag. Okay, del tag will strike out, it will show a strike in your text. Okay, next is sub tag, which is a subscript. Okay, I'm just creating a br. So sub is a subscript. For example, if you want to display h2o, h, and in the subscript you have to display 2, and normally if you want to display o, then you have to use a sub tag. Okay, this is a subscript. And the next one will be the superscript. If you want to use like a square, okay, if you want to use a square, then you have to use a. And sup means the superscript. And 2, you can see that the 2 is looking in the superscript, is appearing in the superscript, right? So sub means subscript and sup means superscript. Okay, so these are the various formatting tags which are available for you in HTML, where while using you should be very clear to what to use and how to use. Okay, so we have discussed about B for bold tag, BR for break, but BR is not a formatting tag, it is to give a new line, that is it is to use to give a space. Okay, leave a space and it will start the next tag, next text will start from the new line. Okay, that is for break. And you can see that I is for italic, em is for emphasis, small is to look make your your text looks in a smaller, like, and mark is to highlight, that is to create a background color. Okay, and del to strike through your text, and sub for subscript, and sup for superscript.